Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and back with me again for another weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today I'll teach you guys the transitions called the pull and push float. I already did the float tutorial. If you haven't checked it out, you can click the link up here. But the best thing about today's video is that the float we'll be using is a lot simpler than the one that I teach you before. Alright, but before I start, you know what to do. Remember to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, now without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Now this is the float that we'll be using. I'm going to show you guys from two different views. The first one is from side view, okay? Now keep your legs straight and my upper body is going to the back. Press both hands down. Now quick tip, okay? You want to make sure that your legs crossing each other, because I feel that when doing this it's easier for you to do float. But if you want to keep this like this or any other stuff, it's up to you. Alright, I'm just sharing with you guys my personal experience. So I love to keep my leg crossed, and for the hand part I love to using my inner palm, okay, because it gives me a lot more height compared to the whole palm of the ground. So when you slide in and out, it's a lot more easier without getting stuck. Last tip, when you're about to do the float, you want to make sure that your upper body is bringing to the front, okay, and for your hip you want to push to the back. Alright, so when your hip is going to the back, it allows you to pull your lower part going to the back easier. So let's combine all of those tips and all the tips and let's see how it looks. One more time. Here. Now I'll show you guys from the front view. Same concept, same method. Okay. Make sure you master the float that I just showed you, and now we can move on to the transitions. For the transitions, I will just show you guys from the very basic move. Let's start with the normal footwork. Let's choose 2 steps, okay, or baby swipes. From there, we're going to transit onto the float. Okay, now from the float itself, we're going to transit again to the baby freeze. Okay, so right now we're going to start from the normal 2 steps. From there, we're going to transit onto the float. Okay, here we go. Like I said earlier, now from the float, we're going to transit onto the baby freeze. The goal here is when you do the transitions, you don't want to get stuck. Alright? A lot of people having difficulty because when you try to slide around or doing the float, either their foot hit the ground or their foot hit their hand, okay? That's going to kill the momentum. So this is something that you want to avoid. Now let's do one more time in one sequence, alright? Same thing, forward to float, float to baby freeze. Here we go. Another tips that you can take note is when doing the footwork. For example, the 2 steps, when your 2 step is about to go to the float, make sure that your hand is spread wide open, okay? So when you go to the float, you can see it's not getting stuck. Because when your hand placement is too small, when you do the float, you are stuck. Okay, keep that in mind, it's very important. So let's do it slow. Okay, normal 2 steps. Now remember, hand spread bigger or wider. Float. Okay, what I do just now is the pull float. Now it's time to do the push float. So push in and freeze. That's about it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoy, I hope you like it. If you have any questions regarding this move or any other move, just let me know in the comment section below and I will try my best to reply all of you guys. That's about it, and I will see you guys next time.